Hey you guys, what's up? So today we're going to be doing this fun, colorful look right here. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. So I am simply just priming my eye with a little concealer, getting it all ready for those shadows to lay nicely. So first I'm taking the shade Yanga from my Juvia's Place Culture 2 palette. This is a beautiful light flamingo kind of pink, and I'm just placing that above my crease and blending it out. Now I'm going in with the Romantic Beauty Cosmetics Mariposa palette, and I'm taking the shade Living Coral, and we're just going to kind of deepen up that crease area a bit. Now taking Mandarin Orange, which is more of a peachy shade in person, I'm just placing that towards the front of the eye. Going back into that Juvia's Place palette, I'm taking the shades Festive and Woroba, and those are going to go on my lower lash line area. Now I'm going in with the Hank & Henry Finger Foil eyeshadow. This is in the shade Rainbow Rimmer, and I'm just placing that right onto my lid area. Dipping into the shade Fufu, I'm just going to start deepening up everything a bit. Now I'm going in with this deep olive green kind of shade called Cape Town and just further making everything blend. Taking the shades Motherland and Joss and kind of placing those where that dark green meets the Hank & Henry Rainbow Rimmer. Now we are lining the waterline area using Nova Beauty's 143 eyeliner, and I'm just placing that coral shade from the Mariposa palette on that waterline area. Now I'm taking my Mayron Paradise Paint palette, and we're just gonna go crazy. Do some squiggles and some dots. I'm also going to outline my brow. I love doing this on these funky, fun, colorful looks. Adding a little mascara and getting my lashes ready for the false lashes that I'm going to apply. And before I add those lashes, I'm adding some contacts. I believe these are the contacts from Kohl Eyes, if I'm not mistaken. Now we are going in with Beat Gang Lashes De Niro Lashes, and that is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.